Another sculpture. We're gonna call this one a bird sculpture. My wife's doing some hanging plants. Some of this she just bought. She wants to put them up like in this area. This pole, so I'm gonna build off of that. This is where my bird's beak is what will hold the hanging plant. Somewhere in this range, the pot will be, so it'll be, the bird will be up here by my hand. So for the bird, I don't really have anything sketched out, but I do have some ideas in my head. What kind of stemmed this, the start to this is I have this interesting piece of metal picked up at a swap meet, and I thought, well, I'll make something cool out of it, but I didn't know what until my wife said, hang these for me. So it must be chainsaw season. Perched bird. It's not gonna be any specific kind of a bird. It's gonna maybe look a little bit eagle-ish and a little bit, I don't know my birds, but be a few different things. So this is the cool piece that I found at a swap meet. I don't know, I probably paid a couple dollars for it. I have no idea what it is, but I just love the shape, and you know, I look for interesting shapes for sculpting with. So this is gonna be the beak right here. I got a few different options for eyes. These are a little bit overkill. They're gonna look a little bit cartoonish if I go with those. A few different size ball bearings. Wing structure. I need something to attach all the feathers to. So I just have these. The wings, I'm planning on just having them tucked in. I'm not gonna have it, you know, big majestic look to it. Just another piece of old shelving. Oh, and I get to try my new tin cutter too, so that'll be kind of fun. This is another cool piece. Came from some type of a fencing operation. Oh, I was happy to get these. These are so cool. Just this piece will slide into the other pipe. Broke down about a brand new piece of equipment. Eastwood's electric throatless metal shears. So that's what I'm gonna be cutting all my feathers with. So I'm gonna have to learn how to use this as I'm creating these. Throw that in there like that. Loosen this up. So look at the breakfast that was just brought out to me. How lucky am I? Okay, I think I got it figured out where I want the wings to attach. So I'm gonna have them come attach somewhere in there. And I'm gonna have them come forward out to here, and then I'm gonna bend it backwards. Workbench explode. Uh-oh. Equipment failure. It's not supposed to be like that. Oh, there's my clip. I think the clip just came undone as well. You always want to use high temperature wheel bearing grease for your vise because you never know how fast you're going to have to spin that thing. Just kidding. Right. Well, it won't go on but more than that far because it has to go in the slot.
Well, then I'll use that to push down and you can push it in when you get down to that level, maybe. I don't know.
Try that, yeah. I think it's in.
Oh, yeah.
We're good.
Nice.
All right,
that was easy.
Yeah, it was easy. Just needed another set of hands. Right now I'm working on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna I decided to go separate eyebrows for each one. Kind of like that. All right, need some more nails. getting close to done. I'm gonna wrap some rebar from about his foot here around here. Have an option to lower it in the pipe here. Try to suck some rocks out of there. Battery time. So I purchased some adapters the other day. They're pretty slick. So I've got DeWalt, I've got Milwaukee. My newest batteries are the Milwaukees. So I thought, well, I'll get an adapter that adapts my Milwaukees to everything else. So that's just a slick thing here. That guy there, it's even the right color, so I know which one it goes to. I have some little holes here in my welding gloves. I thought, oh, they're still working okay. But it's so small, but I think a hot piece of weld found that little hole, and you can see it's like barely open. It's like a sliver. Found that, and then it settled in the crotch of my thumb here. So I got a nice blister there now. Problem I see I ended up with, I got this going around and it's loaded on my bolt. I'm just try to pull my bolt out and see if this thing kind of settles away from that hole. That works. Guess what? I'm gonna call this project done. Woo! So yeah, it's kind of interesting. I've never done a bird before. Oh, can't be done until he's hanging on to the basket. Now it's done.